Money start this.
No, already started.
Start చేసినాం already. So budgeted sales for 2019 we are seeing. Okay. So budgeted sales ఈరోజు ఏమైందో 2000 వస్తుంది. Budgeted sales for 1993. Already we are having budgeted sales of X 1000 and 1100, total 2200, but these were increased 200 and 160. So total it will become 2560, or else you can do from the working note 1 which we already did. See, similarly for product Y, 600 700 already existing. 600 plus 700, wait a minute, budgeted sales product-wise. Why we need to take now? Here 600 in north and south 1000, total 1600 plus increase, not actuals we need to consider, we need to consider budgeted, not this one. Here also, see, here we are having budgeted figures for 1992. To this there will be increase. So this is east and west. So in east you are selling X product X 1100, and in west you are selling 1200, total 2200. To this 200 and 160 are increasing, so total 2560. Similarly for product Y, we are having budgeted figures of 600 and 1000, so total 1600, and 180 are increasing in 1993, so total 1780. It will be a total sales in units. If you multiply with the 10 rupees and 6 rupees, you will get the values. That is what we need to do in the answer while taking these totals. So totals we will take from the working note of quantity, and directly we will multiply with the rate per unit, so that you will get the total amount value. So here we are having sales budget, area east and west, ante kada, not south and north, or else in the question itself you change the north and south, answer la change chese badal. So ఇప్పుడు వస్తున్నది మేడం, ఇంత లేట్గా వస్తే కష్టం అవుతుంది కదా. సో లిసన్ కేర్ఫుల్లీ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ ఆన్. దీస్ ఆర్ బడ్జెటెడ్ ఫర్ 1993. Just now we saw the working note. From that, quantity, rate per unit, and amount. So 1200 quantity is there and 700 for Y in the north zone. In the north zone 1200. How 1200? Working note 1, you go and see 1000 units already budgeted plus 200, 1200 units into 10 rupees, 12,000. Okay. Similarly, for product Y in the north zone itself, for the product Y in the north zone itself, how much it is? 600 already existing plus 100, 700. So it will be 700 into 6, 4,200. Now west zone we are having 1200 plus there is an increase of 60 units, 160 units. So 160 units, if you add to 1200, it will become 1360 into 10, 13,600. Similarly, in the west zone, Y already existing 1000 units are there, plus increase 80. So total in 1993, 1860 into 6, 6,480. These are what? These are what? Area wise totals we are having till now. Area wise totals we are having till now. But if you want product wise, we need to do the product wise also. For the 1993, vertically if you do total product wise, then you will get amount. See here. This information is relating to 1993. So area wise is over already. Now product wise. Product X, whether it is in north zone or south zone, don't worry. Take the total. Take the total. That is this 1200 and this 1360. Both are X only. So total 2,560 into 10 rupees. Similarly, for product Y, 700 and 1,080. So total 1,780. Simple. First you do horizontal total. Then you do vertical total. That's it. X together, Y together. Okay. Now this is over for the budgeted period. If you add all, you'll get grand total. That is product X and Y. That is this 2560 plus 1780, 4,340 units. But don't take rate here because rate is different for two products. So don't consider the rate as we do in the simple average. Do you consider if both rates are different in simple average? Here also. So take the total 25,600 and 10,650. That will be 36 to 80. So till here, hope you have understood. This is for 1993. Then similarly, we need to do for 1992 budgeted and actuals. That's it. Let us see. If you are having question with you, you can easily write the values also. Write the quantity column first. Then rate is automatically, if it is product X 10 rupees, product Y 6 rupees. So quantity budgeted for north, west, east zone, east zone, west zone. East zone is 6,000 units budgeted. 1992. This is for 1992 budgeted and actuals. So first we will do budgeted, then we will go for actuals. 1,000 units into 10 rupees. 600 into 6 rupees. In the question itself, while explaining, I wrote there 10,000 into 10, 10,000. 600 into 6, 3,600. That those values we will get here. If you add both 1600 and amount 1360. Similarly, West Zone 1200 units, 10 rupees, 1000 units, 6 rupees, 12,000, 6,000, 18,000 is over. Now you will add not area wise as product wise. Okay. Okay, this is product wise. X product you take only X. Here how many units? X 1000. Here how many units? 1200. Total 2200. Then multiply with 10 rupees, 22,000 you will get. Later we need to take Y total. So Y in East Zone 600 units, in West Zone 1000 units, total 1600. 1600 into 6, 9600. Right till here. If you add both, you will get total. That's it. Next, actuals we need to take. Actual figures also given in units only. 1100 units, 700 units, 250 units. Question में देखो. So in the actuals, how many units are there? East Zone product X 1100 into 10. 1 0 is missing. You take 0. Next, 700 into 6, 4,200. Total 15,200. You add both the units also. 1100 plus 600, 1800. Next, West Zone product X 1250 into 10, 12,500. 1000 units into 6, 6,000. These are given in the question itself. Just multiplying with the 10 rupee value. आपको यू ही 15 మార్క్ ఆన్సర్ नहीं देते ना, టైం పాస్ కోసం అన్నమాట అంతా. యాక్చువల్లీ ఏంటిది, దిస్ 1993 is the major question. Okay, but if you do that much small problem, it will be not easy for them to give the marks, so they feel hurt. So that is why they are giving little bit lengthy one. So now we need to add product wise. Product X actual 1100 and 1250 together 2350 into 10, 23,500. 700 and 1000, 1700 into 6, 10,200. Add both values. 4,050 units and value 23,500 and 10,200. While taking the totals, don't take the rate. Don't take the rate column too. Okay, quantity column and amount column you can do. So you got the logic. Any doubt in this case? Hello. So is there any doubt? It seems nothing. We'll do Monday sales overhead related, budget related questions. Monday evening 4 o'clock again. Be sharp at 4. 5 minutes or 10 minutes may be vary the time. Money off చేస్తావా? Answer is over. You can stop recording. Manideep. సో ఒక 5-10 minutes అటు ఇటు అవ్వచ్చు. If any change in the time, other thing is there, I'll give a message to you all. Okay, that's it for today. I am ending the meeting. If any doubts, please ask me. Otherwise, we will end the meeting. Next to sales overhead question, we will do on the board itself, not like this. Okay.